Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Vocab. Today I'm not standing next to my whiteboard because it's snowing here. It's the first time for 3 years since I moved here that it's snowing. That's why I've decided to make this video outside. And today we will talk about the days of the week. So let's get started. The first day of the week is called ПОНЕДЕЛЬНИК. Понедельник. It's easy to remember because the word for the week is неделя, and the first day of the week is понедельник. It's like the day that starts after week, после недели. Понедельник. The second day of the week is called ВТОРНИК. Вторник. It's also easy to remember because второй means second. The third day is СРЕДА. СРЕДА. СРЕДА is called this way because it's exactly in the middle of the working week. So we have 5 days, and in the middle we have this СРЕДА, and in Russian middle is середина. Среда, середина. The fourth day is ЧЕТВЕРГ. ЧЕТВЕРГ. ЧЕТВЕРГ comes from fourth day of the week, четвертый. So, четвертый, четверг. And the fifth day is пятница. Пятница. Because it's, yeah, right, пятый day of the week. Sixth day is СУББОТА. СУББОТА. Just remember this way. And the seventh and last day is ВОСКРЕСЕНье. ВОСКРЕСЕНье. This day, the name of this day comes from the word воскреснуть, воскресать. It means to get risen, because every Sunday we go to church and we know that the Christ was risen, so this day comes from this. Every Sunday we celebrate the fact that Christ was risen. So, воскресенье. Let's repeat them all. Понедельник, вторник, среда, четверг, пятница, суббота, and воскресенье. So, if we ask each other, what day is today? I would say, сегодня понедельник, сегодня вторник, сегодня среда, сегодня четверг, сегодня пятница, сегодня суббота, сегодня воскресенье. But if we are talking about past or future, if we are asking what day do you have to go to a doctor, let's say, we would use the accusative case here. В понедельник with the preposition в. В понедельник on Monday. Во вторник on Tuesday. В среду on Wednesday. В четверг on Thursday. В пятницу on Friday. В субботу on Saturday. В воскресенье on Sunday. The last one we pronounce like this. Воскресенье, воскресенье, like long v in the beginning. It's not v, it's воскресенье, воскресенье. So, I hope it was helpful, and we'll meet each other in Live Russian Vocab. See you!